Hello everyone, welcome to the course on antenna and wave propagation. Today I have come up with another numerical based on critical frequency. Okay, so this is the #01. What is the critical frequency for reflection at vertical incidence if the maximum value of electron density is 1.24 into 10 to the power 6 electron per cubic centimeter? Okay, in this question you are asked to calculate the value of critical frequency. Okay, whereas maximum electron density, that is N max, is given 1.24 10 to the power 6 electron per cubic centimeter. Okay, and reflection at vertical incidence. So we know very well that in case of critical frequency, angle of incidence is 0 degree. That means what? Vertical incidence. Okay, so this is given in the question paper. So what is given? I have written here N max is equal to this one. Fc is what? So this is a straightforward formula putting question. We know that Fc is equal to 9 root N max. 9 and within bracket N max, within a square root you have to write the value of N max, which is 1.24 into 2 10 to the power 6. But this is very remarkable point that after this I have written kilohertz, because in my theory lecture of critical frequency or in the propagation in ionospheric propagation, when you people have submitted me the assignment of refractive index for the ionosphere, then in there you have considered that N is ionic concentration is in per cubic meter when frequency is in hertz. Okay, and N is measured in per cubic centimeter when frequency is kilohertz. So here the unit of ion concentration, electron density, is per cubic centimeter. Okay, per cubic centimeter. So that means your F will be in kilohertz. This is very important point, because if you do not follow the exact unit according to the N, Fc will not vary, then your answer will be wrong. So you have to keep in mind that whenever ionic concentration or electron concentration or the value of N is given in per cubic meter, then you have to consider your F to be in hertz, and if it is in per cubic centimeter, the overall F will be in kilohertz. Since here we are dealing with the per cubic centimeter, so you can write kilohertz. So this will give you the square root of this 1.24 square root, and 10 to the power 6 square root will give you 10 to the power 3, and this is kilohertz. And the square root of 1.24 will give you 1.11. So 9 into 1.11 into 10 to the power 3 into kilohertz means 10 to the power 3. Again, this is for this value, kilohertz. And this will become now hertz. So after multiplying this will give you 10.02, and this is 10 to the power 6, and this is hertz. So finally this will be megahertz. So Fc, critical frequency, finally will become 10 to the power 10.02 megahertz. So in this way you can solve the problem of critical frequency, but you have to keep in mind that the unit of N max and F will vary. Okay, so thank you.